how to withdraw money from Kalshi. So to withdraw money from Kalshi, you need to just follow certain steps which I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, you have to log in into your account. By the way, you can always do it on your mobile application as well as on this website, right? Which you can see over the screen. So here, find the withdrawal option in your account settings, right? So once you go to the account settings here, this typically located under the account or the fund section, right? And Kelsey currently supports withdrawal only by traditional banking methods, right? Make sure that you just note this down and specify the amount you wish to withdraw, and be aware there's a $2 fee charge for every withdrawal. Ensure that your link bank account details are up to date. Avoid any issue with the transfer. And after confirming all details, submit your withdrawal request. Withdrawal typically takes some time to process, so check your bank account for the transfer funds after a few days. Now, this is it, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.